Hey guys, it's me, Evia, and today we're doing an awesome video game. So this is going to be a tutorial and just showing you this awesome alarm clock. And if you guys are those lazy people who are just sitting in bed, have your phone, for example, and it has the alarm on, and it goes beep, 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 and then you're like, snooze. And it lets you snooze for as long as you want. And you keep snoozing until you're late for work or school. Or you miss the bus and your mom maybe yells at you. So here we have a whole new thing that's going to really help you. So this is the Clocky. And it's probably going to help you a lot. So basically with Clocky, it's an alarm clock that runs, like can move all the way somewhere and make you get out of bed and really catch it. So you can't be lazy. And it will kind of be fun. You know, it's not too fast, not too slow, middle. For people who just walk out of bed, their legs are shaky, whatever. So, we fix your problems. And it's only $40, but you get something really nice. They have a lot of nice colors. This is teal. I really like it. Matches a lot of things. And so, first I'm going to teach you how to change the time, and change the alarm, change the snooze, and how to work it, basically. So, okay, I'm hungry. So, there's 4 buttons. Time, alarm clock, minute, and hour. And the hour. That thing, it stops, my thing freezes. So, you can also press the minute and the hour. So, for example, I have time. I'm just going to press hour. It's going to go up. It also tells you if it's PM, but when it's AM, it won't have any sign. So, that's kind of good because, it just saves a lot of space in the alarm clock. So, it doesn't have to switch. And also, for the alarm clock, this is how you do it. So, right now it's 5:57, and I'm gonna press A, and I'm gonna go on the hours. I'm gonna just go and see. There's no PM sign or anything. Well, now there is, and I'm gonna go on 5:59 as my alarm. So I'm gonna go on alarm, and I'm just gonna make it to 6 o'clock. And also, you have to make sure you press the alarm button if you want it to make a noise, instead of just flashing. Also, if you really want it to roll and make a noise, then press the roll button and the alarm button. And once the screen comes down, there you go, you get it right there. So now I'm going to set it up. It can roll off anything. For example, a night desk, my night desk. And when it lands on wood, it's basically fine. And yeah, we're just going to show you. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, yeah, it's going to be really cool. So I can wait over here, just dance. Do whatever you're sleeping, for example. Let me go like this. I'm going to pretend I'm sleeping. And I'm going to wait basically right here. And it's only $40, so make sure to go buy it. I'm not sponsored, but it's kind of tricky to learn out how to do it. So, yeah, definitely recommend it. And you guys should probably definitely get it. So, once it turns 6 o'clock on this alarm, it's going to show me on the time also. But then it's going to automatically switch to the alarm. And then I think it gets off. I don't really know because I haven't really done this, so just read about it. So I'm just going to wait here and do shout-outs. So shout out to my friend Aubrey who got me this. Shout out to Emma also because she's just nice. And we're all the best. Oh, look at that. So here it should be coming. Should roll. Make sure it rolls. Roll. Okay, it's not rolling right now because I put it on hold. But this is how it would do when it was just alarm. Now, when you put the rolling, you have to make sure you double tap it so it flashes to make it, because sometimes, so for example, I'm going to press snooze, and I can do this, and it should work now. So once it's 1 minute, or I gave myself 2 minutes. Who's that? Say hi. Look, no. Say hi. Look, say hi. Hi. Gummy bear. Sing. Gummy. I am gummy. We're not gonna put gummy, okay? Right now. So basically, I'm gonna wait 2 minutes. 1 more minute, and I'm just gonna cut this out. So let's go into fast mode. Yeah, this is so fun. Just waiting. So guys, it's almost 7 minutes, and it should go off in like 20 seconds or so. So yeah, it should go off. I'm waiting. Just gonna, cut off the wait because it was so long. And yeah. Oh, I got so scared in the first video I made of this because look. See, it doesn't get hurt at all. Oh, just run! Look at it! Come on, let's go! So then you catch it. Once you catch it in your hands, you press the alarm button, and it stops. Then you can press it back on, so the alarm happens again. And tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. And also, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna change it for my actual. What's that? Hey, that's music. No, that's ASMR. Okay, that wasn't very good. Okay, so just gonna press the alarm, change it to the hour. Change it to 59. 6:59. And snooze is 2 minutes. Or 1 minute. I don't know how you press the snooze when it's running. But yeah. I'm just gonna get on there. I don't know why isn't the snooze coming. So I'm gonna press on this thing, put it for 1 minute, and just the snooze thing. I think I already showed you guys. Just double tap A and press the minute, because it only lets you put minutes up to 9 minutes, and I don't think it will go that much. So that was my tutorial of the Clocky, and it's awesome. I really like it, and I kind of made this tutorial for Emma and whoever needs it because, yeah. And so, and Anna, who got it too from Aubrey. So basically, that is today's video, and thank you guys for watching.